Hello everyone, my name is Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about ecology in our evolution, ecology, and behavior section. Ecology is the study of interactions among organisms and their environment, which includes all the biotic and abiotic aspects, so living and non-living things. Here's our lesson overview for the video. First, we're going to talk about environmental ecology. Next, we're going to talk about population ecology. And lastly, we're going to talk about biomes. So first, let's talk about environmental ecology. Here's some of the terminology that you're going to need to know for this section. So species is a group of organisms that can interbreed to produce viable, fertile offspring. This is important. This needs to be able to continue the species. Habitat is wherever an organism lives, where you find it. Population is going to be a group of organisms of a specific species in a given location. And so that can be isolated or there can be movement between populations, but we need a way to discretely measure